Hey guys, Zeb here. Today we're going to be talking about the top 5 free traffic methods for affiliate marketing. All right, let's get started. All right, first things first. I'm going to be calling all business owners, affiliate marketers, whoever it is that are looking for ways to get leads, right? What I'm looking to do is going over the 5 easy ways to generate free leads. And I know why this is important, because leads equal sales and sales equal money. Point blank, period. All right? We got to have leads to make sales. I mean, that's the name of the game. So, if you know anyone that would benefit from this, please share the video with them, because what we're about to go over is going to be some very good information, right? To get free traffic and to get leads. The number one at the top is YouTube. Here I am. I'm making videos on YouTube. This is my favorite thing, right? So I know I'm a little green in the area, and I plan on getting better and improve myself as the time goes on. But I'm a firm believer that YouTube is the number one place to go to get free traffic. All right, so I'm a firm believer of the 80-20 rule. Do you know what the 80-20 rule is? Let me give it a quick explanation. So it's 80% value, 20% promotion. All right, so that means everything you do, you put out 80% value. 20% of it will be for promotion, right? So 80% of your videos should be providing value to people. 20% you can promote. All right, so just keep that 80-20 rule in the back of your head, because I'm going to talk about it a lot, and it's a very important process in building trust in an audience that wants to buy from you. You'll see me do that at the end of this video, and you'll see that I practice what I preach. All right, so whatever your content is, make sure it's congruent with your niche. Very important. You don't want to be a person talking about makeup and your channel looks like it's a fitness channel. That would be an oxymoron, right? So you'd have fitness people coming to your site, and then you're talking about makeup. Or your channel is about marketing. It looks like it's about marketing, but you start talking about workouts. You don't want to do that. So my niche is about online marketing, business opportunities, etc., etc. So that's my niche market. That's what I'll be talking about. Just remember that whatever your content is, just make sure it's congruent with your niche. All right. This would be very easy way to confuse your audience, and you don't want your videos to be a complete waste of time, right? So just be congruent. Look, I'm a marketer, so I'm going to be talking about marketing, because that's my niche. We're going to be driving traffic to a landing page that captures email, but only after you give value, right? So I might be talking value, and then I do a call to action to go to a landing page, whether that's free material, a number one recommended source to learn, whatever that is. You want to send them to a landing page that captures emails, that gets your lead on an email list. But remember, only do this after you provide them value. Number 2 is Facebook Live. Facebook Live is very similar to YouTube. And one thing that makes Facebook Live very what am I going to say? Competitive, I guess, because they want to compete with YouTube, right? So they're competing with YouTube, so they're going to give you more engagement on Facebook than they will a Facebook post, because they want people to do videos on Facebook because it's the competition, right? So that's just the name of the game. It's business, right? So they're competing with YouTube on videos, so they're going to give more engagement to people that do videos in their Facebook post. And again, remember the 80-20 rule. I'm going to bring up the 80-20 rule all the time because it's so very important. Nothing irritates me more than seeing some people just promoting, and give very little fucking value, right? So you want to give value to your audience, right? I'm all about giving value. Look, you do a call to action at the end of the video that drives them to a link, your product or service that you're promoting, right? So you're providing value on Facebook, do a Facebook Live, you talk about something that you learned today, your audience is engaged, and then you can do a call to action to comment more info to send them a link, right? So that's what you would do on Facebook Live. You just want to make sure your audience is engaged. For example, mine would be marketing, and a fitness person would be for talking about workouts. Just remember at the end of the day, that 80-20 rule creates trust, right? So you will get free leads if you follow this 80-20 rule. Point blank, period. Number 3, blogging. This works particularly well for people who like to write and not so much be on video, right? So if you really like to write and you don't want to be on video, go the blogging route. Blogs are very powerful because you can put so much on it, and you can capture emails or send people, you can advertise, you can do so much with a blog, right? So make sure your blog's about your niche again, right? And you want to drive traffic to your blog, but only until you provide value. Remember the 80-20 rule, right? It all comes back to the 80-20 rule in this video. You can provide as much value as you want in your post, and then you offer them the product. Just remember, blogging can be very, very powerful tool, right? So I know I don't have a blog right now, but I would love to have a blog to write about the things I talk about in the video, just to give another outlet, right? So I'll probably move down that route, but I'm gonna give myself some time on YouTube. Number 4 is attraction marketing. If you are a marketer in this business opportunity niche like I am myself, then attraction marketing is very important. I mean, man, I can't say it more that attracting the right audience, especially in the business opportunity niche or online marketing or affiliate marketing, is very important, because I don't want to be attracting people looking for, information about makeup or how to tie my shoe, right? I'm looking for people that want an opportunity online and become a marketer to watch my material. So it's very important to be an attraction marketer. Look at Tai Lopez or somebody similar to that. Yeah, he does drive you crazy, but he's genius at attraction marketing, right? He's a marketing genius when it comes to his videos. So if you see what he's doing, that's attraction marketing, right? So he's making himself look very attractive with all these fancy cars and planes and trips, and it's attracting people to just click on anything he sends out to them, right? So he just spends a buku of money on advertising and gets paid tenfold. You just want to provide value, and you will begin making money. All right. So number 5, lifestyle. Lifestyle is very important, right? I mean, people do not want to work in a cubicle or work outside with hammers and in the heat or cold and just be sweating their ass off or freezing their asses off. They want to work on a laptop, have that laptop lifestyle, be at the beach, sipping pina coladas, working from their smartphone, right? So that's what people want. People want that lifestyle that digital marketing can provide. So portray that, right? Make sure you spend time talking about that kind of lifestyle, because your audience you're attracting really wants to live that lifestyle. I mean, that's the whole reason we all get into digital marketing or affiliate marketing, is because we want that freedom. We don't want that 9 to 5 or work for somebody, some boss that we just don't like, right? We want that freedom of the laptop lifestyle. All right, guys. So value plus lifestyle plus results equals sales. Point blank, period. Value plus lifestyle plus results equals sales. Brand yourself to attract the audience that you're interested in, that is interested in your niche, right? So, for instance, I'm only going to be attracting people that are looking for business opportunities or in digital marketing, right? I'm going to provide value in that. I'm going to show the lifestyle of that. I'm going to show my results, and after all that, I'll start getting sales, right? So you'll see that formula being used. You also want to build your following, right? It's very important to have a following. This will get you a network of consumers that will buy from you, right? So you want to create this following. You want to keep them engaged. You want to constantly provide value. It comes back to the 80-20 rule, right? You want to provide 80% value, 20% promotion. Your list, your email list that you gather over time can grow and grow and grow. Just imagine if you had 50,000 people on your email list and you're constantly providing them value. Then every once in a while you send out a promotion and 10% of them click on it and 5% purchase, right? I mean, what is that? 2,500 people buy your product just off that email list that you have, right? So just remember that 80-20 rule is very, very important. Just think about it. If you happen to have a strong following and they always want to hear from you and they stay engaged and they're constantly commenting, whenever you ask them to do something, to click a link or something, they're more willing to do so, all right? So just remember that building a following is something that I'm doing right now, right? Putting these videos out, I'm trying to build a following. And that's what most of us want to do, is build a following so we have an audience so we can pitch to, right? But you have to add value. 80-20 rule. Just remember, guys, all right? Remember that these may be free and simple, but they're going to be a lot of hard work, right? Yeah, it's free to put out videos on YouTube, but it's a lot of hard work. We got to put these videos out every day. You got to be very consistent. You can't just put a video out this week and 2 weeks later and a month later. You got to be very, very consistent because YouTube's algorithm is looking for people that bring an audience to YouTube. So if you're constantly putting out videos and you've got people starting to be engaged on your videos, YouTube's algorithm will start showing your videos even more and more and start suggesting you on other people's channels, right? So that's just the way YouTube works. Maybe I can talk about YouTube in a further post down the line. Look, you're going to have to grind every single day consistently, and the rewards will come in time. Okay, so it may take you months, years before all of a sudden you have massive success. But if you don't be consistent and take massive action today, then you'll never know when success is going to come because you're just sitting around waiting and wishing for it. That's not going to get you anything. Look, I earned all this myself with a program that I learned how to do all this stuff with a program that I'm going to share with you here in a second, right? So I had no clue what digital marketing was. I always had an interest in it because I was interested in that laptop lifestyle. I have so many friends that are in that niche, and I was in more of the network marketing niche, pitching at home parties or hotel conference rooms, etc., etc. But when you're doing that kind of stuff, it's a lot different. It's not online. It's more high touch. You're talking to people in a room, in a conference center, trying to get them recruited into your program or company or whatever it is that you're trying to sell, right? So once I started seeing my friends move over into the affiliate marketing niche, I'm like, man, they're all traveling the world, they're hanging out in mansions and driving sweet ass cars. That's luxury, right? So that's the kind of lifestyle I want to live, and that's the kind of program I was looking for to help me get to that place. So I will be bringing that up here in a minute because I am practicing what I preach, right? Doing the 80-20 rule. Look, if you want to learn about sales funnels, landing pages, advertising online, then the program that I will share with you will benefit you immensely. I'm telling you guys, this program is for people that are complete beginners, and it's ran by one of the best in the affiliate marketing industry, right? So just keep an eye out for it. And look, just to recap, the top 5 free traffic resources are YouTube, Facebook Live, attraction marketing, lifestyle, and blogging. But just remember the 80-20 rule: 80% value, 20% promotion. All right, so you have to practice that. You have to practice what you preach. I'm here practicing what I preach. Now, guys, I hope I gave you enough value today where I can give you guys a call to action. And there's no reason whatsoever that you can't earn $2,000 a month using free traffic sources soon after you start. Who would benefit from an extra $1,000, $2,000 a month? Then comment below if you would benefit from that, because that's $1,000, $2,000 extra every month would help so many people. I mean, that would be your mortgage payment a month. Just imagine how much that would free you up from your finances, especially if you're living paycheck to paycheck. Look, there are 3 calls to action in this video. Drop a comment if you want to make money online. 2, grab my free ebook, link below in the comments. 3, for my real action takers, click the link below for my #1 recommended program to use to make money online. Stop watching others make money and start taking action. No, it's not going to be easy. It will be hard, but it will be worth it. All right, so before you know it, you'll be sipping pina coladas or margaritas in Fiji or Hawaii or Punta Cana, someplace amazing, working from your laptop. What do you have to lose? Be an action taker. Be one today. All right, guys, that's it today, peeps. Remember that my goal is here to help you figure this shit out. Hope this provided you some value, and if it did, please comment below and let me know. Remember to like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell if you want to be notified for future videos. I'm going to try to put these things out every single day, bring value to you, left, right, center. All right, so please give me some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future, and I will make that happen in the future videos. Peace out. See you on the next video, guys.